Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to the part 2 of Technical Trends for Beginners. If you haven't checked the part 1, please go and give it a try because I gave some introduction about what is a technical trend and why we are discussing all these things in our YouTube channel. So hi, welcome everyone. This is my YouTube channel Mani Code. Manish plus Code is equals to Mani Code. This is the second part of the series Technical Trends for Beginners part 2. This video is all about DevOps, cloud computing, testing, and cybersecurity. In previous video, we almost discussed about all about development, that is coding, web development, mobile app development. So what comes after development? Deployment, right? Yeah, hell yeah. This video is all about deploying a project and making it live on the internet. So the fourth trend, the fourth trend which one beginner can choose to have a career in the IT industry or stabilize himself as one of the persons who knows this. And I wanted to tell now about cloud computing or cloud services. If you are a technical guy or a non-technical guy, I'm sure that you would have heard these words like AWS, buckets, servers, deploying, live on the net, hack, all those. These all are related to cloud computing. So this is all about using someone's gigantic computer to deploy your project to make live on the internet. Yeah, that's all about cloud is. Cloud is nothing but what some people think cloud computing is different. It is, we don't know. There is a very technical guy or any coding needs to do if you are going into cloud. That's all nothing. Cloud is using others' computer and all the resources are provided by these tech chain companies. You have to learn those, you have to certify in that. The book definition for cloud computing is practice of using a network of remote servers hosted on internet to manage data rather than a local server or PC. When you do a project, you will save it in your local drive and you can see that. And deploying the same project into the cloud, the whole world can see that. That's the difference. Yeah, this means you're using other computers to store the projects, the other people's computer, which is available for everyone in the world. www, World Wide Web. So there are majorly three cloud services providing in the world. Those are AWS, Amazon Web Services, Azure, Microsoft Azure, GCP, Google Cloud Platform. AWS originated from Amazon, Azure originated from Microsoft, and GCP originated from Google. These three are very competitors, and mostly AWS versus Azure is going on. AWS leading in this platform, and we don't know when these figures may be changed. We'll do a dedicated video on this clouds. So the average salary of a cloud computing engineer is $1,13,000 per annum. Yeah, this is an average. This ranges between $80,000 per annum to $150,000 per annum, and mostly this varies depending on the places. Like if you're doing one place, this salary may be hiked to $150,000, or if you're doing another place, it may be between $80,000 to $100,000. But the average is $1,13,000, and it's a very prominent field and it's a booming field. One can choose to stabilize themselves in the IT choosing cloud computing. Yeah. And the next major trend is DevOps. This is again one of my most favorite subjects in the IT. DevOps stand for development plus operations. Yeah, as we discussed about the development of mobile web, and also we discussed how to get your project site anything live on the internet. One is development and one is deployment, and this deployment is also called as operations. So now we are getting the view, right? Development, dev, and operations, ops, combinedly together we call it as a DevOps. DevOps is a new term which is given rise by the IT people to maintain the development team as well as operations team in a company. A DevOps engineer is required. There are lots of tools for a DevOps engineer to use. DevOps people are in demand for the companies because if a company hire a DevOps engineer, he can lead the operations team and he can lead the development team too. He can be the bridge to complete a good quiet project. So that DevOps people are very high in demand. The skills required for people to learn DevOps, there are a lot of skills, mainly Git, GitLab, GitHub, Kubernetes. All the skills, all the tools are being used by the DevOps people to maintain the integrity of a project and also for continuous integration and continuous deployment. All these terms can be known. We'll do a dedicated video on DevOps too, why the data is being in the servers and how this is continuously being updated. All this will be taken care by a DevOps. Mostly these people are into the operations, the backend. They have to take care how these comes, how the data is being flowing from servers to UI. All this can be taken care by a DevOps engineer. He is very important for a company, and many people are moving towards cloud and development to DevOps side so that they can get a lot of scope in their career. One can choose this field also because this is also one of the booming field, and many people are waiting to hire DevOps engineers in their company. Coming to salary, the average salary of a DevOps engineer in US is $133,000. Yes, this is also depending upon the place you work, and the average ranges between $90,000 to $150K. Yeah, DevOps is also very good, and the salary is also very nice. This is a stable job. All these salary statistics are based on the 2019 research, and this is all the information which I have got from the internet. Thank you. And the next trend for beginners to stable themselves in the IT industry is cyber security. Once in a lifetime, everyone have heard the word hacking, I guess, right? Yes, that's what we see in movies, but it is entirely different from the reality. This is a cybersecurity where a group of people protect their company from other group of people who wish to steal their data or breach their data and secrets of organization. There are two group of people. One group of people protect the data or protect the main secrets of their company in the internet or in their service, and other people wanted to breach their data. Everything comes under cybersecurity. Cybersecurity person is a one who protects the company's data, and he works for his company. And other people, those who are trying to breach the data illegally, these are known as yeah, it starts with H. Many people know the word. There are many kind of hackers, like a ethical hacker, the one who can protect his companies, and there are also certifications for these people. And if you do these jobs illegally, then you can be behind the bars too. This is also one of the great field. Cybersecurity is an everlasting field until they reach internet. These people will be alive in the market because there must be protection if they are on the internet, right? That is, so the average salary of a cybersecurity engineer is $140,000 per annum. Yes, it also varies from place, but this is also one of the most high-paying jobs in the IT industries. The next major trend is testing. Yeah, this is also a very good field and heard by many people. A tester. The book definition of testing is a process of verifying a software or a program to decide whether it meets the specified requirements and giving desirable results or not. This is all about testing. Testing is nothing but verifying the completed project. So you have to identify the bugs and make projects more safer, better, and best to the clients. There are a lot of things like testing, penetration, bug testing, errors, and a lot more. Many tools are also used by a tester. Tester is quite important as a developer. There are many developers, but there are only some testers in a project to make the project much better for giving to the client. This is all about testing, and there is also a IT industry that a developer and tester are the forever rivalries in the IT. This is just a joke. It's all about people treat like developers are making the project with all those requirements with hard work, and tester simply denies it if he finds a small error to like pointer errors too. This is all about testing, and the average salary of a tester is $97,000 per annum. Yeah, this also depended upon the place, and it also varies between from place to place. It ranges between $60,000 to $120,000. A tester is also very good and very important for a project. So that's the end of the part 2, guys. I hope you have liked it. We have discussed many things like developing, deployment, and testing. The third part would be much interesting because it's all about the king of IT, artificial intelligence, and also about data science. I hope you're enjoying this video and you're getting some information about different IT industries. Yeah, if you like the video, help with your thumb, spread with your mouth. Thank you.